Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy from Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your Dometic thermostat for your Class C RV. Your thermostat control system looks like this. If you notice in the bottom left, there's a slider switch with 4 system settings. The system settings are cool, fan, off, or heat. For cool, you have to have the generator on or plugged into shore power. For heat, you have to make sure your propane tank is open. The next slider in the bottom right is your fan settings. You'll notice it says auto high-low or on high-low. We always recommend keeping it on auto where it gets to a temperature and regulates it from there. The final slider is your temperature gauge, going from warmest to the right, coolest to the left. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.